Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's had a great Christmas break and getting ready for the new year ahead. In front of me I have a new building that I've been working on, and I'm going to call this one Auto Service. When I was traveling through Mexico many years ago, I would often see little buildings like this just pop up out of nowhere, and it was just enough room to put you know, maybe one car in there with maybe a small office on the inside. And I was always fascinated by these little mechanic shops or auto service. So I found an image online, and lo and behold, I've designed one. Something very unique about this though, which is a little bit different to my previous models. This one's the Auto Works, and this one here, everything clicked together. Okay, it had tabs that would click into the walls, into these side braces, and into the base. However, I've redesigned my thoughts going forward. Look, this still works and it is perfect. There's nothing wrong with it. I'm just a bit concerned about these tabs breaking off and therefore rendering, you know, construction redundant, I guess. However, some people have these and there's nothing wrong with them. You put them together, and once they're together, they're very strong. This design is completely different, and I'm completely and utterly wrapped. It's taken me a long time to work this out. So yeah, this one is called Auto Service. This is just done in plain grey, and I've also managed to make brick walls, which I'm very excited about. These are almost to the scale of, I don't know if the camera can pick that up, of a human hand and a human size. So this is going to be interesting if you do decide to spray paint these or paint these. I've done a quick test and they do come up fantastic. So this is like a scaled brick version of a 1/64 scale miniature figure, and I will have other brick sizes, which you'll see some of the bricks around various buildings which are like double or 4 times the size, you know, the big grey bricks. Anyway, so yeah, so this one here is just the plain wall, and obviously there's another version which will have the brick walls, and I'll make another video on that of how to set everything up. But I just want to show you what I've done with this one here. The unique thing about this is it involves no glue, right? And parts do not click together. Just hang on a sec, I've just got to grab something. Sorry about that. I should have been more prepared, and I'm not. Okay, I'm back with us. Yeah, this little building here has, I just disregard the doors for a minute. They're just off another set, and I just grabbed those. But yeah, this has two doors, a side and a back, and it has 4 windows, sorry, a back, a right, a front, and a left, and these just click in. Okay, I made the tolerances a little bit tighter so they hold a bit better. What I've done here is very interesting. I'm using bracing. I don't know if you can see this, but there's an inside brace, right? That goes on the inside. Now this is double braced, it doesn't have to be, but I did it as a test. And then on the outside, we have an outside bracing, which you would typically see on buildings, because obviously the wall would butt up to each other and there'd be an ugly join. So, you know, as you see in real buildings, I've made like this kind of corner fascia. I don't know what the correct terminology is called, but this makes this really strong. Now the way that I've done this is I used double-sided tape. Okay, this is 12mm double-sided tape that just sticks on the inside here. It just sticks to the corner, and you put it in, and it's tight as. Same with the outside. The outside's a little bit trickier. You need to put the tape in and cut it, which I will do a demonstration of later on how to construct these buildings. But no glue, nothing clicks together apart from the roof. The only thing that clicks is the roof, and what I've also done is made the situation where they click in just a little bit smaller. So you can see the roof here, it doesn't kind of stand out as much compared to perhaps the Auto Works, if I can get that together. And there's still nothing wrong with this either, you know what I mean? That was a feature that I designed. So, but you can see in the corners there by having this this corner bracing. So you know, I think going forward, this is the new way that my buildings will be done. But and just the front clicks in too on this one, okay? But everything can be pulled apart, so you can spray paint this or paint it whatever colours you like. This will also come with some graphics, which you'll have to email me and download once I make those and get a final version. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this new design with going forward with making buildings. As I say, this is double braced, and it doesn't need to be, but I've done it as a test. You could just use the outside bracing. However, your kit will come with double-sided bracing, and I think it looks really smart how it all goes together. It's very solid, and you know, once painted up and looking a bit sort of old and rustic and all of that, I think it's going to look like, you know, just sort of imagine sort of like one of those sort of side alleyways or off the main drag, little mechanic shop, you know. It's just run by some geezer, probably just works by himself, and away you go. Alrighty, thanks for watching, and catch you later.